This morning in Strasbourg, the President of Slovenia came to speak to the Parliament. One of the 6 countries, member states in their own right, that are smaller than Wales. He talked about their experiences as a small country, the difficulties they've had with the economic crisis, but he also talked about what needed to be done immediately to help the countries throughout Europe to overcome the crisis now. And one of those things was the ability for the European Union to give young people hope, to do something straight away to enable them to go into training, into employment or apprenticeships. We've seen through the actions of Plaid Cymru in the Assembly in Wales just what a difference this had made. We secured thousands of apprenticeships for young people, and it's already having a really positive effect not only on them but also on the businesses that employ them. And next week, when the heads of government in Europe meet, they'll be looking at a youth employment initiative. And this is something we want to come on stream straight away, as soon as possible. Funding to enable young people who've been out of work or out of education for 4 months to be offered training or a job or an apprenticeship. And what they've said is that all of the member states that qualify for this scheme should now draw up a plan by the end of the year as to how they are going to make that work in their own member states. Well, Wales is not yet a member state, but Wales as a nation with its own government can draw up its own plan. And that's what I'll be calling on the Welsh Government to do, to plan how we can use this extra funding to make a real difference to the lives of young people and of the economy in Wales.